So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Ayun guys, mag 2 o'clock na. So good afternoon guys. So yan, may nakita pala ako guys na remedy sa YouTube na para sa arthritis guys. Kasi sumasakit na yung paa ko, mataas yata yung uric acid ko guys. So try natin to. So meron ako ditong juicer. So magju-juice tayo guys. So ito na yung diet natin. Wala munang seafoods. So bago natin simulan, intro muna. Cha.
Subscribe and click that bell button. My channel and my dad's channel is click this bell button and when you click it, you guys gonna saw all my videos and my even dad, because my dad is really at YouTube channel either, and you guys gonna watch it any good stuff in it. And bye everybody. Bye. I miss y'all. And get safe. Even you have to get inside in the house and you're not gonna be sick and all the virus can go with your house. Inside your house. Bye.
So yun guys, papunta na tayo sa grocery store. Ang hirap pala ng maglakad. Yung grocery store guys, 2 minutes lang. Yung sakit ilakad. Oh my gosh. So malapit na. So hindi ko na tayo guys. Tayo na pineapple at saka celery at cucumber. Oh my G, parang walang pineapple guys. So punta muna tayo dun sa kabila guys, baka may pineapple dun. Plus lang pineapple dito. So meron sila ditong lime guys. So lime, bili tayo ng lime. Tapos bibili na lang ako din ng kamatis na sa salad ko guys. Mag-salad na lang muna tayo. So yan, bili muna tayo nito guys. Lime para hindi tayo ng kamatis. So yun guys, 5 pieces for $2. So yun guys, tsaka ito may lettuce sila dito. Dito tayo ng lettuce guys para sa salad. Salad, tapos ito yung celery guys. So bibili din tayo ng celery. Yan yung i-juice natin guys. So lamihan na lang natin. So yun guys, ito na yung natin, celery, tapos yung cucumber, saka yung lime, kamatis, saka yung lettuce. So yung pinya guys, may nakita ko dun sa kabila. So dun sa kabila yung nabili natin. So yan, ito na tayo sa cashier. So yun guys, may nakita na akong pinya. Yan siya. So tingnan natin kung magkano guys. Dito dun sa kabila wala eh. Yan. Mahal tayo ng konti dito. Yung lime nila is 5 at 250. So yun yung pin niya guys. Ayan, hindi tayo ng dalawa. So magkano ito? $5 guys. So bili tayo ng dalawa na to. Oh, hindi pa siya ready. Ayan guys, dalawa. So yun guys, na pamili na natin yung kakailanganin natin. So ang hirap lang maglakad, masakit. So yan, see you guys. So yun guys, na set up na natin guys yung ating juicer. Ayun, juicer natin guys. Ito natin nilalagay yung juice. Tapos ito na, yung gasang ko na ito. Mamaya naman ito kasi yung spice din sa atin. Cucumber, tsaka ito celery. Nandun pa yung pineapple. Pero yung pineapple guys, hindi ko i-juice kasi parang sayang naman. Parang i-smoky ko na lang siya para so yun guys, ready na yung ating juicer. So ito na natin. Yan, simulan na natin guys. Guys, yung muna natin guys. Tapos ilagay natin siya dito guys. Ay, teka lang. So yun guys, parang mapupuno na. O hayaan lang muna natin na maano. Imusin ko na lang to. Ito na.
working out with her, they no way. I'm at the gym, you at the gym. It's a small world, I might just have to link with you and him. Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take your bag like that, then we gon' hit that gas.
So yun guys, naman natin. Naman natin yun. Focus naman guys. Mas meron tayo dito ng dalawang corners. So, patay natin yun guys. So guys, magbabala tayo ng orange guys. Balatan natin. Guys, yung pangalawa natin parang so yun guys, nabalatan na natin yung dalawang lime at dalawang orange. So let's go sa juicer. So guys, ito ready na yung ano natin. So, yung orange tsaka lime. Yung natirang so yun guys. Sabi ng gula niya guys.
Yeah, 17. Damn. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the.
Yun guys. So guys, ito na yung pineapple natin guys. Pero ayaw kong i-juicer guys kasi nasasayang ako guys. Ano yun?
I'm in the island on a Wednesday, laid back, cool and kicking feet up like a sensei. Juju hit my line like what you want, babe. Hit her with the script like.
So parang smoothie lang siya guys. Tapos lalagyan na natin ng
Look up at this girl like, let me get my words right. Cause if she catch me with you, then we going down like Suge Knight. I got a plan, you take her back like that. We gon' hit that gas, make a U-turn.
So yun guys, lagyan na natin ito guys.
Okay, acting no scene like I just tried. Hey, shorty the school to my rock and I'm not talking about Jack Black. Hey, what you do when you doing something you not supposed to do? Thinking it's gon' shield the one you love like they bulletproof. Just like Paul Pierce, all out when they know the truth. I'll cry in the end when she leave if you take your juice. Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain turn your lover to a op? Hey, I'm rolling clean off a beam in the drop. Voices in my head, they telling me to stop. Hey, got 20 G's for the keys to the. What do you do when Captain
So yun guys, try na natin. The taste. Yan siya guys. Wow. Sarap siya, sarap. So, 4 na tagay guys. Good. Ayos. Masarap siya. So yun guys, tingnan natin yung body weights ko ngayon para try natin next week kung so yun guys, 150.8 pound. Ayan. Ilang sa kilo yun. So yun guys, yung 150.8 na pound natin is sa kilo 68.4 kilo tayo ngayon guys. So malalaman natin sa next week kilo ulit. So shout out sa ating mga admin na sina Pinoy Biker Italy, si Ma'am Kamahalin, si Jonathan Sicondes, si Boss Dan Timor, si Tata YouTube, Ben Raquetera, na Pokwang SMTV. So sa lahat, shout out po sa buong Team Repsol. Shout out sa ating kay Sexy si Palaboy Travel Vlog, shout out din po. Kalakbay Canada Channel, shout out. Tagay pa more.